Hi everybody! In this course, we're going to embark on a plane to Milan to meet two friends who are designer artists who have dedicated their entire career to entertaining as many children as possible. Who are they? Bruno Munari and Enzo Mari. In this journey, I'm going to take you between the pages of the amazing game books, letting us live unexpected sensational experiences, teaching us to make toys and help us compose cardboard structures with which we can tell stories and create settings that are always different. We're going to learn to cut, design, assemble, disassemble, wedge in, draw, paste, long story short, give shape to every idea that comes to mind in the future. We're going to be using the most random materials, assembling them in surprising ways. All we can do now is to get ready with a pencil, a ruler, a memo pad, and find out the meaning of being a renowned designer. You ready to go on this incredible journey?